Another personal connection with the field of education and design, experimental design research, involves one that Ms. Hannah Reynolds discussed earlier in this presentation. She and I work at Blacksburg Middle School, and currently our math teachers at Blacksburg Middle School are in the process of completing an experimental design research project through Marzano Research. We have 5 math teachers at Blacksburg Middle School that have started experimental research back in August. The group of math teachers are working on trying different strategies in their classroom to see which strategies are most effective. Each teacher has a control group and a treatment group. Each teacher has been given have given the students pre-assessments, some have given mid-assessments, and all are going to give a post-assessment. This data will be utilized through a system that Marzano provides for our teachers, and then we will look at the data and draw a conclusion from that data. As the instructional coach at Blacksburg Middle School, I have helped the teachers in assisting with selecting the participants, obtaining permission for these participants to participate. We have used control groups, discussed the control groups, the treatment groups, and helped gather data. And I'm really eager to see how this turns out throughout this research process. So that is a personal connection that I feel we have to this experimental design research that we're actively involved in.